Welcome! For today's Take and Make, we'll be creating air dry clay bowls. Each kit will include air dry clay, Mod Podge, and a foam brush. You will need a rolling pin, glass bowls, and a craft knife. First, we're going to form a ball of clay approximately the size of a baseball. With our rolling pin, we're going to flatten our clay into a circle about 3 centimeters or 1/8 of an inch thick. Lay a glass bowl upside down atop your rolled out clay. Using your craft knife, cut the clay around the bowl and remove the excess. Now we're going to use our glass bowl to shape our clay bowl. Lay the glass bowl upside down and center your clay circle over the bottom of the bowl. Gently push the clay down onto the glass to shape into a bowl. Let dry for at least 24 hours. Once the clay has fully dried, we can remove them from the glass bowl forms. This would be the time to sand any rough edges or patches, as well as personalize your bowls. I had some extra acrylic craft paint and brushes on hand that I will use to color my bowls. As you can see, I laid down some wax paper to protect my work surface and used a plastic plate just as kind of a little palette. I'm going to use these smaller foam brushes to apply my paint in even, smooth strokes. Take your time to smooth out the paint for an even, smooth coverage. These craft paints dry very quickly, but I would give the bowls at least 1 hour to dry before applying the finishing coat of Mod Podge. Now that my paint is fully dry, I'm going to seal my bowls with a layer of Mod Podge. Even if you don't color or customize your bowls, I would recommend this finishing touch to help protect the surface of your bowls. Use the foam brush to apply a smooth, even layer on all sides of the bowl. When dried, you may still see some streaks from the brush, so take your time to smooth out any obvious clumps or streaks of Mod Podge. Let the Mod Podge fully dry. Note that this Mod Podge is glossy and adds a sheen to the surface of your bowls. If you don't like the shiny look, Mod Podge does come in a matte finish as well. You can find that at any Dollar Tree or Walmart. And that is our finished project. Hope you enjoyed it and see you next time.